Today I'm gonna show you how to replace shyness piece battery. Firstly, I'm unscrewing two screws from the left cover. Then I'm removing the seat. Now I'm opening the left cover. Okay, now the battery is wide open. Now I'm going to unscrewing this screw. I need to unscrew the last two screws from the negative point and the positive point of the battery. Okay, all unscrewing process are done. Now I'm removing the battery very carefully. It's our new battery which we are going to install. Now I'm entering it very carefully. Now it's time to make the connection. The connection are completed. Of course, cover the positive part of the battery with this red rubber. Now I will need to screw the battery screw again. Now I'm installing the left cover. I'm screwing the screws of the left cover again. I'm installing the seat. Congratulations, our installation has completed. Let's check by self-kicking. Okay, it's done.